The she sheds made it through several rains, and thanks to some TLC and the tarps, the inside is still dry. So now that the sun is back out, we can focus on the roof. We're using 2 products from Tropical Roofing. They're 9400 Mastic to patch up any obvious holes, and the 924 Silicone Roof Coating. Make sure that the surface is dry and clean, so we've already cleaned it, wiped it all down, and we're just going an extra step to make sure that it's dry, so we're going to blow dry it.
Absolutely, that's what we're going to do.
If there's water left on the roof, the sealer will cure to it and peel off later, so that's why we're taking the extra precautions. We took turns shaking the bucket to give it a good mix, put on our paint suits, then we mixed some more.
That is really thick.
Really thick.
It made sense why the company recommended using an air-operated mixer.
Are you dancing again?
We should do a video.
Man, I almost want to look. Go ahead. We should do a video. What kind of video?
In our suits, like, boom.
You mean like a music video?
Yeah.
We have this whole roof to patch, so no time for dancing, especially since when this stuff cures, it's like rubber. We rolled the sealer everywhere the roof looked weak and let it dry for a full day. Next, we rolled the roof coating over the entire surface, and after about 3 hours of rolling, we're feeling more confident that the roof won't leak, at least not before our next phase of adding awnings and other additions to the structure. So now we can focus on the inside of the container. So can you guess what we're working on today? The flooring inside a bonfire flame. Woo-hoo. And we feel very prepared. Actually, Safiyyah's more prepared because she's watched so many videos that you feel like an expert, right?
I'm an expert. I'm an expert. We're going to do this. We're going to do this.
Okay, so one of the things that a lot of people are saying is that we need knee pads, and we've already experienced because we've been cleaning and scrubbing, and it's just been a lot of pressure on our knees. So we were inside. Come back over.
Okay, I was just, yeah. Here I am.
We were inside of a hardware store, which we spend a lot of time in these days, just getting ideas and
every
stuff.
Every day.
And it was a very nice woman who said, don't spend money, make your own. And come on, GreenDesert, you guys know it's about self-sufficiency, it's about spending less,
We're
doing
on a
things on your own,
budget.
and bottom line, we're on a budget.
We're on a budget. So.
Okay, so what she, oh, by the way, this is the vinyl that we chose. And it's supposed to be 100% waterproof, which we're hoping it really, really is.
It's gonna be cool. It's gonna be cool.
Okay. So now let's talk about our little DIY. What this woman said. We haven't done it, so you guys are gonna kind of experience this with us. But she said just wrap towels and tape, and that's it. One down.
One down. Oh. You got it?
I got it. So you guys will know after we're done. We'll let you know how our knees are feeling.
Later on, we'll probably be soaking in a tub of ice or something. I don't know, but we'll let you know.
This feels good on your knee. When your knee pad is in the right place.
Well, looky here.
Why are you guys still up?
Because I used the tape that was a couple times around. You look like you have leg warmers. Remember leg warmers?
We're almost done.
Almost.
How do you feel?
Girl, this was a job, but we did it. We did it.
It's looking really good.
So it's the last piece of towel that we're gonna do today.
One more
piece. And this is how it's going down, right?
You said leg warmers. This one, I got tired of walking around with it hanging on my foot, so I just took it off. So we move on to the mechanical room. We got a little crash course from DJ Crash.
I really truly do appreciate you, and you have made it seem very seamless today, right?
We took those skills to the next room, but things weren't as smooth.
All the attitude. Just why don't you just share?
Share?
Yeah.
Share the
Here,
attitude.
I'm gonna come over. And we're gonna tell people why you have all this attitude this morning.
I don't know.
We got here, we said we're going to clean this other half so that we could do the floors. And she seemed fine walking over. And then we got in here and it's just all this attitude, and she's doing things that she doesn't need to do. So she hurt her ankle.
Oh.
I'm not laughing because she hurt her ankle. I'm laughing because it was unnecessary. So bottom line is, a lot of these things are heavy. So there's a box that has a lot of wood and things in there. So obviously we're not going to try to pick it up.
No.
So I told her to move it, just to use her knees. Just push, push, push with just one knee. Just
Is that
push.
the spanky day?
I'm not dancing with you right now.
Okay.
From dancing to frustration. The attitude didn't end
We're
there.
normal people just trying to figure it all out. So don't judge us.
Back to work. You have one job.
One job. Hold it. Hold it. I got it. See how she treated me? One job.
We got pretty far until
We did it backwards. I just told you we did it backwards. Okay, it's ready to fall.
Is it straight? All right, let's see how this works.
Would you like to do the honors? Okay.
It's right?
It's close, yes.
Oh no, that's fine.
Oh, that's right.
I think it's looking amazing. And the best part, we did it all, or mostly all of it, by ourselves. Huge accomplishment.
Did you just drop it? No, I stepped down.
Why are you ripping it when you have scissors?
They're not working.
Why won't you let me?